today I am here to give you a quick demo of Gemma 3 image analysis tool which I have built on the top of Google Colab. And the process is as simple as we just need to upload an image. For example, let's just say I upload an image of samosa and I add a prompt that identify the food in the image and give me a recipe to prepare it at home. And then I click on analyze image button, and as you can see, the Gemma 3 model analysis has started and it will be finished in some time. So once the analysis is finished, let's try to see what the response from Gemma 3 is. So the analysis is now complete, and as you can see, it has identified the image as samosa and it has given some details. So let me just zoom in. So there are triangular pastries, then the fillings are there. Then we have the ingredients for the recipe like all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, then the rest of the things that are needed. And it has also provided me the entire recipe, as you can see. And there are also tips for proper sealing and crispiness and other stuff. So as you can see, Gemini is able to generate the analysis quite accurately. Now let's just try it around with another image. So let me just upload another image here. So I have a jade plant at home and I want to identify like how much frequently I should water it and any special care required while growing it at home. So I uploaded the image and added a prompt, and now I click on analyze image. So the image analysis is now running again, and let's just come back once the image analysis is completed. So the analysis is completed, and as you can see, Gemma 3 has correctly identified it as a jade plant. And it has given me the watering frequency like in spring and summer, it has to be like 2 to 4 weeks, and in fall and winter in every 4 to 8 weeks. Then the soil has to be completely dried out. Then some special care requirements for jade plant as well, and some signs on problems for overwatering and underwatering. So as you can see, Gemma 3 is quite accurate in like analysis of images like this, and you can create this tool using Google Colab. So I have already covered this in my YouTube video, which you can watch out in the link shared with this post. And this was a quick short demo of how you can use Gemma 3 image analysis tool to analyze your images and generate the output. So yeah, that's it from my end for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.